So now we're going to practice writing inequality statements involving rational numbers. So the directions say to write one inequality statement to show the relationship among the following shoe sizes: 10.5, 8, and 9. So part A says from least to greatest, and part B says from greatest to least. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by drawing my number line to remind me which order the shoes are going to be in. Okay, remember that more to the left is going to be the least, and more to the right is going to be the greatest. Since my set of numbers are between 8 and 10.5, and they're all positive, I can go ahead and just label my number line. I'm going to go from 8 to 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Since I have space, I guess I'll just go ahead and add 12 also. And so I'm going to go ahead and put my first dot. I'm going to label my dot at 10.5. 10.5 is between 10 and 11 because the half makes it half a unit greater than 10. So right about here is going to be 10.5. And then my next number 8, I can go ahead and just put that dot right on the number 8. And then my next number 9, I'm going to go ahead and put that dot right on the 9. So in order, forgot to put my dot there. In order from least to greatest, my numbers in order would be 8, 9, and 10.5. And my symbol would be 8 is less than 9, which is less than 10.5. Okay, now going the opposite way, I know the greatest is more to the right, and 10.5 happens to be the number that's graphed on the number line most to the right. So I'm going to start off by writing 10.5. The next number to the right would have been 9, so I'm going to leave a space and put 9. And all the way to the left is 8. So I'm going from greatest to least this time. And then my symbol, since I'm going from greatest to least, is going to be 10.5 is greater than 9, which is greater than 8. 10.5 is greater than 9, which is greater than 8. Okay? Make sure you have this written down in your notebook as well.